Why have you not started that business you have always had in mind, that business you kept thinking about, that business you've been talking about but you keep procrastinating? Why? Oh, you don't have enough money, so many people are doing this already, I don't want to. Why? I'm telling people, if you are forming big girl, this business idea is not for you, okay? But if you want to make your money, you drop that big girl, you make that money.
Yeah, I'm his little baddie. Yeah, I'm his little thing. And yeah, I got that fatty.
Hello beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimbule. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like it here. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So today's video is a girl talk video. We're talking about how to become your own boss. We're sharing business ideas, how to level up for women in Nigeria 2022 side hustle, how to make money online. I hope you find this helpful. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned for more videos. Why have you not started that business you have always had in mind, that business you kept thinking about, that business you've been talking about but you keep procrastinating? Why? Oh, you don't have enough money, so many people are doing this already, I don't want to. Why? I feel like starting a business, yeah, you just have to invest in it. Starting a business, there are so many business ideas in Nigeria. There are so many things you can do to make money. You just have to be willing to invest in it, that little investment to set up your business. And there are some other business you can learn free. Other business you can also start with 5,000 naira, 8,000 naira. I'll be giving you all these business ideas, and I hope you don't just watch this video. I hope you take a step. I hope you find any of this one pleasing for you, and I hope you take a step. So make sure you take note. Make sure you get your pen and paper to jot down these ideas. I hope you don't just watch this video and keep procrastinating. I hope you take a step to setting up that business. The first business idea is cooking and food delivery. I understand so many people are now cooking and selling online, but you can still start that business. Even if you don't know how to cook, you can also watch YouTube videos, you can watch on Instagram, you can master one skills. You can also start with noodles, pasta, jollof rice, sauce, anyone you are good at. Make sure you brand yourself, make sure you push yourself out there. You post pictures, you sell to office, banks, schools, companies. You can start from there. It depends on how you put yourself out there. You just have to brand yourself. You can post pictures of food, you know, free delivery today, free delivery within Aja, all delivery within Lagos is 1k. You get 1 plate of pasta, you're getting free cocktails, stuff like that. You do promo, sometimes you even do giveaway. Trust me, you will tell a friend to tell a friend, and from there you get referrals. And I feel like one of the best way when it comes to this food delivery is, you know, school, especially when you're a student. This will work best for students or living close to school. You can just tell them, oh, I sell food, I do free delivery, I can sell pasta and so for just 1,000 naira. From there, tell their friend, and then you get more clients. Next business idea is drop shipping. This is the act of buying and selling online without even meeting the buyer and the seller. You just have to take pictures of this thing, you post them online, and then you add your own profit. You can also do this within Nigeria, within Lagos. You can post men wears. I feel like men wears is the best when it comes to this, because you can add your profit and this men won't even price it. Men wears, jean, you post pictures, you tell the man in Lagos Island, Yaba, wherever he is, so I want to sell this for somebody, how much would you give me? 15,000 naira. And then you sell this for 25k or 20k. You are still earning. You just have to keep posting pictures. You get your own brand. So many ladies are into this business because they are making money out of it. As long as they are selling this, you keep posting this, you brand yourself, you get your sticker, you get your logo. Sometimes you even don't have to meet these people. You just tell the man you are buying this stuff from, or the lady wherever you are buying it from, oh, I have the delivery to so place, and then you will send your rider to pick up and deliver to whoever is buying it from you. Okay, apart from clothes, you can also sell so many things online, buying and selling without even meeting this person. As long as you are posting this kitchen equipment, you are posting home interior design, you don't have to meet these people. You are taking the picture, you are adding your profits, you are posting it on WhatsApp, and you are sending their delivery details. As long as you are doing it, if you're not getting clients now, you're definitely going to get clients soon. As long as you keep posting from your referrals and adverts, trust me, it works. So many ladies are into this because the profit is high. So make sure you start that. And the next business idea on the list is content creation. Yes, I understand you're shy, you don't want to stay in front of the camera and create videos. You don't have to do YouTube. You can also create TikTok videos. There is also Bigo Live. People are making money on Bigo Live. You don't need enough followers. You don't need so much. Even on TikToks now, Nigerians are now making money on TikTok. But when it comes to Bigo Live, you don't need so much followers. People will just gift you coin, and then you can withdraw it. It will go straight. They will just transfer the money to your local Nigerian bank account. You can also make money on YouTube when you get to 1,000 followers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Okay, you just have to put in effort. It takes time, and you just have to put in effort into this. As long as you are giving value, you're educating people, you're definitely going to make money. As long as you're doing this consistently, you're getting subscribers. You can also make money on TikTok. Keep creating content on TikTok. I know it's not easy. You just have to follow the trends. Once you follow the trends, it will favor you. You might just go viral once, and people will start gifting you when you go live. That's another source now. Once you have a phone, you can create content. You have your phone. You don't have any excuse for this content creation. If you have always wanted to do this, but you're shy, you don't want your pastor to see you, you don't want your neighbor to see you, please, if you don't put yourself out there, nobody will do it. If you don't make that move for yourself, it's for your own good. So you make sure you do that today. Take notes, okay? Apart from creating content, you can also post. Yeah, apart from TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, there is also WhatsApp. You can also create content on WhatsApp and make money from WhatsApp when you post other people's link and picture. You can post 10 links in a day for 2k or 1k, and that is 10,000 naira. That is 20k per day. That's another source of income. As long as you gain more contacts, you are making more money once you keep posting adverts for people. So I feel like some people even post, naughty pictures, naughty videos just to get viewers and, make money online. Apart from all these YouTube, Instagram, you can also make money on WhatsApp. Once you keep posting ads, you keep sharing your link, you keep posting your picture for people to add you up. That is another business idea. Oh, you snooze, you what? You lose. The next business idea on our list is learning a niche online. You can learn anything online. You can also learn this thing for free. As long as you are using YouTube, you have a phone. This our phone is a big tool for us to make money. You can learn from YouTube, you can learn on Instagram, you can learn how to do makeup on Instagram. You learn how to Insta on Instagram or WhatsApp or online training. You can pay just 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira, and then you tell people, oh, I am doing this. So even if you are not good at it, as long as you're watching these videos online, you're staying consistent, you are paying 3k, 2k, or you're watching the videos free on YouTube. That's another means of making money. You can also learn how to cook online. It's also a niche. How to bake, how to make plantain chips, and then you brand this, you get a sticker and you sell. It is free. You can learn them on YouTube for free, or you can pay for like a one-on-one WhatsApp class or 3k 1 week WhatsApp class, like a group chat. You learn how to make hair products, you learn how to make skincare products, and then you're good to go. You can sell this. People are selling online. If you want that detailed class, then you pay for online training, and they'll show you how to make skincare products, how to make hair products, and then you start practicing this, doing it consistently, posting it on WhatsApp. You're already selling it. As long as you keep learning, you keep posting, you become good at it, and then you're making money out of this. The next business idea on our list is thriftwear business, aka okrika. Okay, you can sell adult wears, you can sell kids wears, you can sell jean, jacket, gown, top. You can even start this business with 5,000 naira. Trust me, you can start this business with 5,000 naira. Once you go to this market, if you're in Lagos, you can go to Lagos Island Market, you can go to My 12, you can go to Yaba or Imbo Trade Fair, and then you get this stuff. They are fairly used already. You package them, you brand them, you iron this stuff, you post them online, you take good pictures, you put yourself out there, you tell a friend, oh, people are into this business now, and you can start this with just 8,000 naira, 5,000 naira. You are getting like 2 top for selling this on Instagram. They can even sell it times 3 of the price they bought it. So I feel like once you put yourself out there, you tell a friend, take good pictures, they only refer you once they feel like, oh, this your dress are really nice, this your gown. You take your time, you pick the nice style, the matching ones that does not look old. People would surely patronize and they'll refer you because it is thrift. It has to be affordable. The next business idea is similar to our first business idea, which is drink and cocktail business. You can also sell zobo, fruit juice. You just have to like brand these, get a good plastic, stay in a very hygienic environment, take good pictures, put yourself out there. You can start this with just 3,000 to 5,000 naira. You get your sticker for 2,000 naira, you get your plastic for 2,000 naira, you get your ingredients, and you're good to go. And this plastic can be 50, the sticker 50. You're making money out of it. As a student, you can just brand this, tell your classmates, tell your roommates. They would also tell their friends, and then you're selling fruit juice, healthy one, in a very hygienic environment. The plastic looks good, it looks presentable, and I think that's a great business. The next business idea on our list is also similar to the first business idea, which is foodstuff. Yes, this business idea is not common, and it is very profitable depending on where you live. If you live in a very busy area, this is a good business idea for you. If you live close to the market, this is the perfect business idea for you to do. If you want to make that money and you really don't want to invest and you don't have enough money to set up this business, this is a very good business idea for you. If you want to make money online as a side hustle but you don't have money to start, foodstuff business is a very good business. It's like running mini errand for people, busy people, you know, now working class people, or people that really don't live at home, bachelors. You can just go to the market, you know, you buy this stuff for 5,000 naira. You buy pepper, you buy ginger, grounded pepper, grounded ginger, you get fresh lemon juice, you get tomatoes, you brand this stuff, you put them in a nice clean liner, you take pictures for them, and then you tell them home delivery, free delivery. You can just add your profit of 1,000. Once they feel like, oh, this thing is not that bad, or I don't even want to stress myself going to the market, they will keep calling you. They will even tell their friend, oh, I have a plug, or she can help you get all this thing you list. They will send you their list, and then you go to the market, you get this stuff from them, you send the delivery man, they will deliver it, and then you get your money. They can send you 15k, and what you are buying is not even up to 10,000 naira. Making your money as long as you're posting online. Social media is the tool. Just keep posting online, taking pictures of this stuff, tell them, oh, the mini errand girl, the foodstuff girl. You just have to brand yourself, and you know, now nobody likes stressing themselves going to this local market, and everybody will start calling you fine girl, oh, madam, oh, my color, come and buy. You won't buy this even when you're not buying. This is a very good business idea, and it is not common. Okay, it's not common. It also depends on where you live. If you live close to the market, if you live in a busy area, you can just start this and you make your money. I'm telling people, if you are forming big girl, this business idea is not for you. Okay, but if you want to make your money, you drop that big girl, you make that money, and once you get more clients, you can start sending people to get your food stuff for you, then deliver. This is our last business idea, which is pre-order online, like buying stuff online, shipping it down to Nigeria. But you need money to start this business. This is why I made it our last business idea. You can start this business with 20,000 naira, you can start this business with 50,000 naira, and the profit is really high. You can buy stuff from China, UK, but I feel like China is like the best and the cheapest. You can get hair, accessories, shoes, clothes, bag. You can get this for a very affordable price. You can get bag for 1k, 500. Nice looking bags. You can sell these bags back here in Nigeria for 5,000 naira. You're making your money. It's a very good site also, but you need money to start. If you are willing to invest into this business, you make money out of this. But you have to be willing to invest into this. You need money to buy this stuff from Nigeria, and you also need money to pay for the shipping. Buying it is not the problem. I feel like shipping it is actually not the problem, but you have to wait for 7 to 14 days, which is like 2 weeks before it gets to Nigeria. But if you are buying electronic device like power bank, chargeable light, chargeable fan, you know, anything that has weight, air dryer, all these things, the shipping fee might be high because it has weight, and it depends on the kg, but it's not that high. It can be 20k, 10k, depending on the weights, okay, which is the kg. But once you are getting hair, you can get hair for 5k. You can also get human hair for 10,000 naira, and then you sell them back here in Nigeria for 30k. You pay for your shipping fee. Your shipping fee might just be 3,000 naira. Depending on how many bundles you are getting, you can buy and sell anything. You buy them from China and you ship them down to Nigeria. People are into this business. If you really don't have an idea, you can send a DM on Instagram. You can also make research online. Send a DM on Instagram at Lizzie Akimbile, and I'll guide you. Okay, I'll teach you how to buy and sell stuff. You can also sell accessories, kitchen equipment. You can also buy makeup. You can also buy hair. You can also buy clothes. You can buy anything and sell anything. Bedspread from China, very affordable. Teddy bears, toys, this stuff are very affordable. School bags, any bag, stuff for kids, kids wear, you can also get them from China, very affordable. I feel like this is a very good business idea, but you just have to invest in it, and it is really worth it. So that is all for our business idea. I hope you find it helpful. I hope you take that step to start your business. It is time to start. It is time to grow. It is time to stop procrastinating. Hope to see you in more of my video. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. And share this video with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more Juicy Girls talk. And I'll also create a video on what to avoid when starting this business. I am here to share more business idea tips, so make sure you stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for being here again. See you guys in my next video. Bye.